Welcome to Talented Odisha. My name is Sital Swagatini and I am a proud Odia girl. So I started my schooling from SSPM and I did my college BTech degree from ITR. If anyone knows me, they know that I'm a very down to earth kind of girl. Right now I'm a beauty blogger and also I have started a small online business of my own. So I started doing this about 2 years back with small videos, and you can also see how nervous I looked in those previous videos, which is there in my Instagram account under my name Sital Swagatini. Actually back then no one there to encourage me or teach me anything about it, so I started doing this on my own by looking other videos, other bloggers also, and but slowly gradually I learned about it. Hey guys, so the product I'm going to show you today is the activated wood charcoal powder, which is from Indus Valley. This is 100% natural powder. Actually they have a lot of powder here. As you can see, they have amla powder, multani mitti powder, tulsi powder, and etc. As most of you must know what this powder actually does, I'm gonna use it for teeth whitenings, also used in medical purposes and also in skincare also. It actually absorbs your impurities on the skin. It's very useful. So this is the powder. ब्लॉगर सीम्स रियली इजी टू पीपल. लोक कहते कि एथरे कौन अच्छी खाली तो वीडियो बनई देवार अच्छी, बट सेमती किसी न थाए. यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर फिटनेस, यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर स्किन, यू हैव टू लुक हेल्दी. तुमको जानिया को पड़े कि कौ स्किन टाइप को प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करार अच्छी, केमी यूज करार अच्छी, कौ टाइम यूज करार अच्छी. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड it takes about 1 to 2 hours to make a small, even a 5 to 7 minutes video, and another 45 minutes to edit it. So it's not that easy it seems, and you have to make it perfect because it's a beauty blogger has to be perfect, you know. Really keeps me going is patience and the positive attitude. Even how hard it is, that doesn't matter because it's my passion. I really love doing this thing. Even the smallest victories really matters to me. जमती कि मुझे तबले first start करथिली, after a few months some people started to praise me. more followers मैंने मते बहुत support करथिले, and then some people also asked me about the skincare problems. कौन करिबा कथा मो मोर एमती problems है मु कौन करबी. So that really makes me happy कि at least किछि जण मते trust करंती about their skincare problems. And as per Dr. Abdul Kalam said, we should not only know how to handle the success but also know how to manage the problems. We should know how to handle the failures as well. This is the most important part actually. It's you who should be the captain of your problems, and you have to defeat it. Like ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ମୋର videos बनाए, at the end of the time ମୋର just because of the 2-3 seconds of mistakes I had to delete the entire video, जोटा कि मते at least 2-3 hours लगी था पूरा edit करवा जाए. And से टाइम रे जदि मु पेशेंस न रखी एंड मुझे नेगेटिवली भाव स्टार्ट करदेवी, then obviously ମୁଁ ସେଇଟା କରିପାରିନି. So what I think is, I always think like this, that I'll do it again in the next day, even I can do it better in the next day. So that's the thing. ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ट्राई करे न्यू थिंग्स, ସବୁବେଳେ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ट्राई करे. I watch a lot of YouTube videos regarding the skin cares and regarding the beauty products, regarding the makeups and the new looks. Because it's really easy to apply, and if you're getting ready for party and you don't have time to do your eye makeup and all, so go for this look. This will really save your time and you will look so gorgeous in it. And I always try to mix it up and create something new with it. It's all about your imagination that really matters, because learning leads to creativity, and you need to create new things. Otherwise people will get really bored, and that's the thing. You have to get out of your comfort zone. You have to make something unique, because at first people are gonna really be judgy about it. People are gonna laugh on you, but when you will be recognized after some time, then the same people are gonna come to you and they are gonna praise you. So don't be afraid and just keep going. Follow your passion. That's all I'm gonna say this time. At last, I really want to thanks to the entire team of Talented Odisha, जो मैंने कि मते ये चांस देले to open up myself and to tell something about my journey. And this is a great platform where you can find so many talented people across Odisha. So keep going. I'm really happy you guys are doing this. Thank you so much. Namaskar.